Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will compare the Genesis GV80 versus the Infiniti QX60. Let's start by looking at what powers these luxury SUVs. The Genesis GV80 offers a choice between a 300 horsepower 5-liter turbocharged engine or a more potent 375 horsepower 5-liter twin-turbo V6. The Infiniti QX60 comes with a 295 horsepower 5-liter V6 or a 268 horsepower 0-liter variable compression turbo engine. Both vehicles boast an impressive maximum towing capacity of 6,000 pounds when properly equipped, making them capable for various hauling needs. Moving inside, both SUVs prioritize comfort and advanced technology. The Genesis GV80 provides flexible seating for 5 to 7 passengers and offers up to 84 cubic feet of cargo space with the rear seats folded. The Infiniti QX60 also accommodates 6 or 7 passengers and provides up to 4 cubic feet of cargo volume. For technology, the GV80 impresses with a large 27-inch integrated OLED display, while the QX60 features dual 3-inch screens for its infotainment and driver information. When it comes to exterior design, both vehicles exude luxury with distinct styling cues. The Genesis GV80 features a redesigned crest grille and its signature 2-line headlamps, giving it a sophisticated and athletic stance. The Infiniti QX60 presents a bold double-arch grille and striking piano key LED daytime running lights, reflecting its elegant yet powerful presence. In terms of value, the Genesis GV80 has a starting price of approximately $57,700, while the Infiniti QX60 begins at around $51,590, offering competitive entry points into the luxury SUV segment. Safety is a top priority for both the Genesis GV80 and Infiniti QX60. Both models have achieved high safety accolades, earning the IS Top Safety Pick Plus award and a 5-star overall rating from NHTSA. They come equipped with comprehensive standard safety suites, including features like automated emergency braking with pedestrian detection and lane keeping assist, providing peace of mind on every journey. Ultimately, your choice depends on your preference for design, specific features, and budget. For other great deals, including leak-proof meal prep containers, check out the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.